January of 2020 began with the continuation of the 2019 Development and Testing Program in preparation for the 2020 AUVSI SUAS competition. Our software team continued work on the imaging, radio communication, and navigation systems. We had our first flight using Pilot, a custom navigation software stack which enabled the team to continue testing and optimizing autonomous mission planning capabilities. The first iteration of our unmanned ground vehicle for SUAS was in the assembly and test phase. Our business team was hard at work planning for an upcoming fundraiser, as well as expanding our community outreach. When March came around, the mechanical team fabricated and assembled a temporary mounting plate for the onboard computer, designed and 3D printed a motorized quick release for payload, and continued iterating on the ground vehicle design. The electrical team was in the process of updating the onboard power system from new high current connectors to a fully custom power delivery board with modular capabilities for peripherals present on the vehicle. We kept up our progress at full force, meeting after meeting, week after week. After preparing some test code, we got a chance to test the ground vehicle.
Oh, it's going through! Under the tunnel!
And the next day, our world shut down. Even though we were not able to meet in person, we didn't give up. We did what we could, remotely. With our only competition cancelled and the desire to do more, we were standing by for the next step. In June, we were given the opportunity to speak at the first ever virtual developer conference for the community of our autopilot software, PX4. With a rough plan underway, we got to work.
Drone doesn't fly, everything's really sketchy. Motors are dead.
After some technical issues but great success at the PX4 Developer Summit, we resumed our flight testing and development in the fall. We installed a next-generation flight controller on Macron and began work on the quadcopter for NXP's Hover Games Challenge. In November, we prepared plans to upgrade our drone's propulsion system and designed a specialized stand to test the amount of thrust from a possible new motor. This year has tested our patience, our trust, but most importantly, our resilience. Although it's been rough, the incredible support we've received this year has allowed us to expand the goal of our club, and we're excited for the start of the new year. Without the incredible support from our 2020 sponsor team, many of our lofty goals would not be possible.